Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Yash Desai from Garage Door Marketing Pros, and in this video I'll be walking you through how to grow your garage door repair and installation business. And for this we'll be using Google My Business Profile to generate calls and bring in clients for your business. So if you're unaware of what Google My Business is, it's basically a business listing provided by Google, and the best thing about it is absolutely free. Okay, so before diving into our main content, I would just like to let you know that if you're a garage door business owner doing more than 6 figures in revenue and looking to grow and scale, just go to the link given in the description and pin comment as well, and you will be able to book a free consultation call with me, and we will discuss how we can grow your garage door business. Okay, now let's jump into our main content and see how exactly you can get clients and how you can improve your Google My Business Profile ranking. Okay, so the very first thing we are gonna do is properly filling out the business information. This is a very basic one but has the power to affect the whole GMB rankings. Okay, when I say fill out all the info, I do mean all of them which could be filled. Okay, just go to your business listing. This is a demo one that I've created to showcase how you can do it. Okay, and just click on edit profile and just check. Okay, here you have a business name. Fill out it very correctly. Don't write anything like LLC or such and such stuff. Just fill out the legal name of your business. Okay, then business category. In most cases and in all of the cases, it's gonna be garage door suppliers or something along that line. Okay, then description, fill out pretty good description up here. Fill out everything your company does and where do you serve, and also make sure to mention the city and state as well. Okay, for instance, if you are in Montclair, make sure to put something like we are providing garage door repair and installation service in Montclair, New Jersey, and something along that line. Okay, because that's gonna help to push your Google My Business listing up on the maps. Okay, then opening date, add that as well. Then phone number, add that as well. Make sure to write the correct one, because we are also gonna do some citations. I'll explain that in another video. That really helps in ranking your Google Business Profile, and I'll be coming up with a video on that too. Okay, then put up the URL here. Okay, then location and area, then service area. This is a good one. Okay, you'll have to fill all the service area and zip codes where you are actually providing your service. Then business hours, this is also important one. Then add more hours, you can just skip this one, it's not that important. Okay, and these are not really important. You could fill out if you want, but these are not really they don't carry much weightage. Okay, now second thing, adding high quality photos. It's a very important thing. Okay, and high quality photos can help potential clients to get a better idea of your service and also the quality of your service. Okay, the first kind of photos you want to upload to your GMB dashboard is the image of your office. Okay, if you have any, and in case you don't really have any physical office, you could just skip this. Okay, but if you have any, make sure to click the pictures of it and post on the Google My Business Profile. Okay, the very next thing, or the very next kind of photos we want to have is before and after photos. Okay, so what is exactly before and after one? Okay, so the thing is, customer loves to see such photos. Just click an image before you start the project and then click another one after completion of the project. Okay, the very next thing we want to have is the photos of the employees in the company with the t-shirt, obviously, because we are trying to market our garage door business as much as we can. Okay, and this really helps. This will have an impact on your customers that this particular garage door business is having a better brand and also is having a better presence, obviously, than other businesses out there. Okay, now the very next thing, or the very next kind of photos we want to have is the vehicle. If you have wrapped your vehicle, just click a photo of that too, maybe from three or four directions, and you could just upload them. Okay, now The very next thing, or the very next kind of photos we want to have, is simply one that is, just simply click the image of the final output, that is the image of the garage door you installed or repaired. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's move on to the very next one, and this is very, very important. Okay, encouraging customers to leave reviews. Reviews are a big factor in ranking a Google My Business profile. This also helps build your trust and credibility with your potential customers. Okay, now to get reviews, just click here on ask for reviews, and you will get a link that you could send to your that you could send to your customers and ask for reviews. But how do you get so many reviews? Okay, that's the question. Now let me answer this. Now to get reviews, you could either have an automated email campaign setup that sends your customer a link to a review. Another thing that you can do is print some business cards with a QR in it that links to your GMB profile review page. You will see one up here on the screen. Okay, this is the best way to get a lot of genuine reviews. I use this for all of my clients and it works like a charm. Okay, now let's move to our very fourth point, that is Google Posts. You can use Google Posts to share updates, promotions, and other relevant information, and obviously with your potential clients. Okay, people actually see Google My Business posts. Okay, when sometimes you would have also seen some offers popping up in a GMB or in a business listing. Where does this come from? It comes from GMB post. Okay, now again, GMB posts are also great way to show that your business is very active. And you know what, the best thing is Google actually rewards you for that, because obviously Google want to show a business that is active over a business that has no reviews, no posts, and nothing on their profile from the last 2 years. Okay, now how do you add post? Just go beneath your GMB profile and you will see an option up here that is add a post. Okay, just click upon here and it will pop up a window, and just add a description, add a button, probably a call now button, because we ultimately want a call. Okay, then add a photo up here. Got it? Now this one is really, really helpful. Okay, make sure to follow all the steps that I said. Now the last but not the least thing is optimizing the service section in GMB. You have to add every service you're offering up here. Let me quickly show you what I mean by it. Okay, you will see an option of edit service in your GMB profile. Okay, and you have to add every service you're offering here. Also just add the services Google is suggesting, and the reason for that is, it really helps to rank your business listing. Okay, to add a service, just click on add more service, and you can add a custom service if you are not seeing this. But in majority of cases, Google will suggest you tons of services up here, and make sure to add this in case you're offering those services. Okay, because it really, really helps to rank your Google My Business on the maps. Okay, or on the Google. This one really works. So yeah, this was all about how to optimize your garage door repair and installation listing to get more clients. And if you follow all the steps that I said, and if you follow all the tips that I said, I'm pretty sure that you will be easily able to go from having maybe 10 or 15 calls a month to even 30 or 40 calls a month. So this was all about the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye.